So the project we've got today, got these strut kit for the car. It's supposed to get rid of the having to put the bonnet stay up. Australian made. From Nitro Gen Lift in Victoria. 5-minute job apparently. 5 steps. Let's see how easy it is. All you're going to need is a 10 and a 12mm socket. So in the kit you get your strut, you get a bracket conveniently marked left or right. This one's for the right, so that'll go there or thereabouts. And then you got the bracket that goes up here. So installation is basically removing 2 bolts over here, putting that in, moving the bolt under here, putting that in there, attaching the strut, and away you go. So that is it there. That's how it all attaches. The only issue I can see is here, a little clip on the other side here for this washer hose. It got pinched under here, so I've had to just leave that dangling a little bit. But apart from that, it seriously is just a 5-minute job. Obviously leave the old one on, because you never know.